Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both ends. Power the monitor and select HDMI input, then plug the adapter into your computer's USB-C port. Make sure the USB-C port supports DisplayPort alternate mode, because not every USB-C carries video. Once done, use a quality adapter or direct USB-C to HDMI cable to avoid signal loss. Cheap adapters can drop resolution or refresh rate. Keep cables short for best signal integrity, and make sure both devices are awake before continuing. Once connected, power cycle the monitor if it doesn't detect a signal immediately. Sometimes a reconnect forces handshake. On your computer, open Display Settings and Detect Displays, then choose Extend or Mirror depending on your workflow. Adjust resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor's native specs so you avoid scaling artifacts. For example, set 1920 by 1080 or 3840 by 2160 and 60 Hz. You finish by confirming audio routes over HDMI if you need sound. Select HDMI as the output in sound settings. If there's no picture, try reseating cables, test another HDMI cable, or use a different USB-C port. Adapters fail, so swap them to isolate the fault. Make sure your graphics drivers and monitor firmware are up to date, because driver bugs can block DisplayPort alternate mode. If problems persist, reboot both devices. Sometimes a fresh handshake is all that's needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.